one life. We go around once. So especially with what we've been through this past year plus, I think most everyone understands how valuable our lives are and the people that are in it. So when it comes down to it, you can ask yourself, what can you live with and what can you live without? And that also helps you identify what's important to you. And then do things that you love doing. This is your time, your life. So when you're organizing your schedule, don't forget to give yourself some time to enjoy whatever it is, whether it's a book club or going for a long, long walk, whatever it is, going on a picnic with your family, just do it. Just decide what you can live with and what you can live without, and make the best use of the time, because it's your life and your life is not my life, and what's important to you isn't necessarily important to your next door neighbor. It has to define you and who you are.